Hello and welcome to Mathematical Coaching Center. Today in this video we'll try to learn to find the square root of a perfect square number in just 10 seconds. But before we start, my name is Umang Khawas, and if you have any problem in learning mathematics or if you want to learn math in a fun and a very interesting way, then consider subscribing this channel. So without any further delay, let's begin with our lesson today. So let us first see what is a perfect square. So a perfect squares are the squares of a whole number. Okay, a perfect square are such a number who are the squares of the whole number. So for example, 81 is a perfect square. So why is 81 a perfect square? Because it is a square of a whole number, that is 9. Okay, it is a square of whole number 9, so 81 is a perfect square. Next, 169 is also a perfect square because it is a square of 13, and 1369 is also a perfect square because it is a square of 37, and so on. Okay, so what we will do here is we will try to find out the square root of a perfect square numbers. We'll try to find the square root of a perfect square numbers. Like this is 81 is a perfect square number, so we'll find the square root of 81. That will give us 9. Like square root of 169 will give us 13, and 1369 will give us 37. Here we'll try to find the square root of a perfect square numbers up to 4 digits. Okay, let's see the trick now. So in this trick, you must remember the squares of a single digit number. So you must know what is 0 square. It is equals to 0. 1 square is equals to 1. 2 square is equals to 4. 3 square is equals to 9. 4 square is equals to 16. 5 square is equals to 25. 6 square is equals to 36. 7 square is equals to 49. 8 square is equals to 64. And 9 square is equals to 81. So this is very important, and you must know this square of single digit numbers. Okay, and the most important thing is you must remember the digits, and that is at the units place, like 0 1 4 9 6 5 6 9 4 and 1. Okay, these are very important. Let's see how we find the square root with the help of an example. So suppose we are to find the square root of 7056. So what we will do in the first step is we will make a group of 2 digit from the back. Okay, so here we will make a group of 2 digit, that is 56, and the other one is 70. So we will make a pair of numbers. Okay, so it is 56 and 70. So, and we'll start from the back. So here in 56, what we will do is we'll see the number in the units place, that is 6. So we will see square of which whole number gives us 6 at the end. So from here, square of which whole number gives us 6 at the end, that is 4 square will give us 16, 6 is at the end, and 6 square will give us 36, and 6 at the end. No need to see the number at the tens place. Here also no need to see 5, here also no need to see 1 and 3. Okay, we just need to concentrate on the number that is in the units place. So 4 square is giving us 16, it ends with 6. 6 square is giving us 36, and it ends with 6. So we have two numbers, that is 4 and 6. So what is 4 and 6? These are the digit in the units place. So these are the two numbers that will be in the units place. So it will be either 4 or it will be 6. Now let's see what to do with 70 now. So we'll try to see a perfect square just less than 70. So what is a perfect square just less than 70? So the perfect square just less than 70 is 64. Okay, so the perfect square just less than 70 is 64. Now square of which whole number is giving us 64? It is 8. So we'll write 8. And what is 8? 8 is the number that will be in the tens place. So here we got the number that will be in the units place, that will be either 4 or 6, and the number that will be in the tens place, that will be 8. So what is the number? The number is either 84 or 86. That is 84 square will be 7056, or 86 square will give us 7056. So now we need to choose a number between 4 and 6 to put it in the units place. So to do that, what we will do is we will multiply 8 with the number that comes after 8. So that is 9. Okay, so 8 into 9 will give us 72, and we'll compare the 72 and 70. We'll compare 72 and 70. Now 70 will either be less than the product or will be greater than the product. Okay, the number that we have will be either less than the product or will be greater than the product. Here the product is 72 and 70 is less than the product 72. So we'll choose a lesser number. So we'll choose 4. Okay, so we'll choose a lesser number, that is 4. So what will be the answer? So it will be 84. Okay, this is how we find the square root of 7056. So let us see one more example so that you can understand it more properly. So let us take an example, 3249. So here also we'll start from the back, making a group of two numbers, making a pair of numbers. So it will give us 49 and 32. So we'll see the number which will give us 9. So either 3 square will give us 9 or 7 square will give us 9 at the end. So the number at the units place will be 3 or 7. Now we'll see the perfect square number that is just less than 32. So what is a perfect square number just less than 32? So it is 25. That is given by 5. So 5 will be the number at the tens place. So we'll multiply 5 with the number that comes after 5, that is 6. So 5 6 are 30. Now this is the product and we'll compare this 32 with the product, and here we see that 32 is greater than the product. So we'll choose a greater number, that is 7. So what will be the square root of 3247? It will be 57. So you can check with the calculator. So this is the process, but you must note that this process is only possible for perfect square numbers. If the numbers are not a perfect square, so by this process you will not be able to find the square root. Okay, since 3249 is a perfect square, so this process helps us in finding the square root of the number. So next, let's say a final example. What is the square root of 625? So here also we'll make a group of two numbers, that is 25 and 6. Okay, so there is 25 and there's no extra number here, so it's just 6 here. We'll see 5 at the end. Okay, so which number gives us 5 at the end? It is 5 square will give us 25. Here we have 5 at the end, so the number at the units place is just 5. There's no 5 here. So now we'll see what is a perfect square number just less than 6, that is 4. So what is the number at the tens place? It is 2. So what will be the answer? So it is just 25. Here you don't need to multiply. Okay, note we multiply the digits in the tens place to choose a digits in the units place. In the previous example, what we saw was there were two numbers that we can write in the units place, but here we have only one number, that is 5. So no need to multiply. So if you multiply also, so here you need to multiply with the number that is just greater than 2, that is 3. So that will give us 6. So this product is neither greater nor less than 6. Okay, so the answer will be directly 2 5. Okay, so what will be the answer? It is 25. 2 and 5, that is 25. So this product multiplication here is not important because there is only one number that will give us 5 at the end. Okay, and that is 5 itself. Okay, so this is how you find the square root of a perfect square number. So let's try out few practice sets. Okay, and if you can find the answer, you can comment in the comment section below. I hope that this video is helpful, and if you want to learn math in a very fun and interesting way like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a good day.